In an era defined by climate change, building design has an important role to play in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and supporting our homes, workplaces and cities to adapt to the impacts of a changing climate. Here at the University of Queensland's Global Change Institute, we've slashed our environmental footprint with a building that generates zero carbon emissions and requires little or no additional energy to run its lights, fridges, fans and coolers. Sounds impossible? Come and take a look. As a flagship sustainability project for the University of Queensland, the Global Change Institute is designed to work in harmony with Brisbane's subtropical climate. The 4-storey building is the administrative heart of the Institute, but it's also a place for study, a conference centre and a focal point for visitors from around the world. And importantly, it's a working example of how to minimise energy usage and improve sustainability in an attractive, livable indoor environment. In fact, the building requires about 40% less energy than a typical air-conditioned office. So, how does the GCI operate on such little energy? For 80% of the year, these offices rely on natural ventilation. Louvers direct airflow throughout the offices and into the atrium. A thermal chimney draws air up through a green wall which filters and cools the air. Up above, the roof is made of a high-tech synthetic compound that's designed to deliver outstanding weather and heat resistance. It's also dynamic. Thousands of white dots expand and contract with the heat of the sun, helping to regulate the amount of light entering the atrium below. Abundant use of recycled native timber promotes a sense of warmth and connection with nature. These energy efficiency measures have significantly reduced the building's energy demand, and any additional energy the building needs is generated by renewable sources. And there's a unique feature above us that hardly anyone notices. These might look like upside-down bathtubs, but they're actually a world-first innovation in concrete. As a conference centre, meeting place and office, the UQ Global Change Institute is leading the way in low-carbon living. If we want to limit the impacts of global warming, the challenge of change is to find new, sustainable ways of living and working.